Hey everyone, in this video I am gonna teach you guys how to use motion blur in CapCut. Here's an example. Might as well get started. Let's start. Select a new project and choose the video. Adjust if you want. Select and click motion blur. You can adjust the blur and blend to 25. Direction both times twice and you are done. Also, if you don't have the feature yet, I suggest you to update CapCut. And it's done.
If you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to like and share my videos. Thanks for watching.